wanted to breathe smoke.
The traditional Foley punch is you take a sham, you wrap it around celery for a bone crack, and you snap it over a pit. And there's all these techniques to get it, and it's very dry. The images that was coming in were very gory. So they thought, well, let's take carcasses of chickens and hit those. But they didn't quite work, so then we thought, okay, let's put walnuts inside of the chickens, and mic that, and then crunch that. And then we thought, well, those are great, but it doesn't sound like it's in the right acoustical environment. At George Lucas's facility, he's got a basement in his sound building, concrete floors, and we thought, this would be great. Let's just bring in some big pieces of meat down here and just start smacking them with, baseball bats and our fists. We layered these meat punches with the walnuts, with the traditional punches, and then offset them and kind of EQ'd some of the brightness down. We ended up punching ourselves in the chest. So we got into kind of a strange territory of sound.
I felt like putting a bullet between the eyes of every panda that wouldn't screw to save its species. I wanted to open the dump valves on oil tankers and smother all those French beaches I'd never see. I wanted to breathe smoke.